Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem to all of your followers and the QLers watching right now. Well, QL Properties is of course part of Qatar Living, and if anyone has ever lived in Qatar before, chances are they will have used our services, from looking for a staycation, a restaurant, to buying or selling a car, or even looking for an AC repair. You'll find everything at qatarliving.com. So 4 people make up the properties team, and it's our purpose to promote and market all of our clients' properties through various online media. You'll find anything linked to real estate on QL Properties. This includes residential, commercial, hotels, short-term leases, and even land buying opportunities. We actually boast a massive 2.5 million page views per month, and our social media stats are equally impressive, with a reach of over 1.5 million across Instagram and Facebook. So this is actually our second year at BYH exhibition, but it's our first time as a property partner. We'll be promoting the event itself and providing coverage for the thousands of viewers at home. We're hoping to entice people to come and visit the exhibition and take advantage of being able to source all of the necessary tools to literally build your house. It would seem that the effects of COVID have slowed down some real estate developments in Qatar, but due to the effective handling of the government, we are gradually seeing these projects return to normal. At BYH 2021, we're hoping to see a real thirst from the public and a bustling event like it was before. We're really excited to be at the exhibition. It's an A to Z showcase of all you need to build a property. We particularly enjoyed talking to some of our friends at the stands last time, and we focused heavily on furnishings. At the upcoming event, we want landowners and developers to see QL Properties as the stepping stone from a completed project to finding residents or businesses to fill their units. QL and the QL Properties team are really looking forward to seeing as many people at the event as will be permitted under the guidelines. Thank you.